Hi guys, it's Rebecca.
It's Sadie.
And today we are going to see if we can dye this flower with our cabbage water that we used in the spectral breath experiment. So what we did was we took our flower, we stripped it of all of its leaves and everything, cut it on a diagonal so it can suck up a lot of water, and we're going to put about a third of the way of cabbage juice and the rest water and see how long it takes for it to affect the flower itself. Let's do it.
Yes.
Okay, honey, go ahead and fill it up about a third of the way with the cabbage.
Like a trash can.
I know, cabbage doesn't really smell that great.
No, but it smells even worse. Is that great?
Mm-hmm. Now fill it up the rest of the way with water, and then we wait.
It smells terrible. Oh my god.
More.
What would happen?
And now we wait.
What would happen if we put baby's breath in there too?
I don't know, we can if you want to.
Yeah.
Stick one in there. And now we wait. It's 3 p.m. Tuesday.
Wow.
Okay, so it's 6 a.m. Wednesday, and we have little to no change. So I think we're going to switch gears. I'm going to change our medium to food coloring water and see what happens. Okay, change the water, put some blue in. Let's see what happens with that. 12 hours in, and we have blue tips, people. We have blue tips. 24 hours later, she's definitely blue. You have it here first, people. You are what you eat. Thank you for watching.